Hi guys, today we are going to be playing Fortnite. So, guess what? The smart pistol is finally in the game. Finally in the game. And I mean finally. It isn't that crowded there. I have a lot of meteors. Okay, now that I'm pretty sure the smart pistol is gonna be here. I don't care if it's a great weapon. I'm gonna use all my gold. When I say all my gold to upgrade it. I think that might be a smart pistol. I don't know what it looks like. Oh, Havoc. Okay, let's see. Dang, I just found an ammo creator box or whatever you want to call it. I get some shotgun ammo. Okay. What are you doing? I want... I want the smart pistol. I love this. But it's called a lock-on pistol. Cool! This is the coolest thing! Hey, where's my other teammate? I'm pretty happy. When I say pretty happy, I mean so happy. I think the smart pistols are not rare at all. Not rare. I think it's pretty easy to find. What? You can't upgrade the smart pistol? Can you upgrade Chug Splash? Yeah. If you could, that'd be the most funniest thing I ever would do. Let's go! Full power! That's this. Okay, let's see. So far. I don't know why it's called a lock-on pistol, not the smart pistol. This is overpowered! Oh my. I'm sad. But I at least got to try out the smart pistol.